my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect for those of you who have a lot of good customer service skills, but you don't want to really be talking on the phone all that much. This company is hiring people to do customer service through social media. So answering those comments and those messages. We are going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you find any of my job leads helpful, give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Money Lion. Money Lion has 172 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have an employee satisfaction rating out of those 172 reviews of a 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer advocate or customer service for their social media channels. This is remote for the United States only. Now, real quickly, if you haven't heard of Moneyline before, because I know I had not, Moneyline offers different financial services. They do have like a finance and banking app, but they are looking for somebody to be responsible for resolving those customer queries and complaints, recommending solutions, and guiding customers through product features and functionality of that app and their services. So you'll need to be an excellent writer and verbal communicator who can earn the customer's trust in those 240 characters or less, because remember, you are doing different things like texting and social media. So you're going to provide that customer service that is focused on the person as well as the solution. You're going to resolve customer questions, concerns, and product issues raised through public channels by engaging with the customer, providing the right resolution, and addressing those social media escalations with critical thinking. So the most of this job is going to be responding to those social media comments and messages. However, your job is going to be to help the customer. So there may be occasion where you need to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call if that is going to help the customer. It says you're going to respond to the customer's concerns in a way that is helpful to them. Email, chat, or if phone is more helpful to them, if there's language barriers or they're not understanding, you may have to make that occasional outbound phone call, but most of this job is going to be non-phone. You'll monitor, proactively post research, and reach out to community members within the Money Lion channels, making sure that they have a positive experience with the company. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has 4 to 5 years of customer-facing role, that customer service experience. They prefer somebody who has experience in customer escalations, prior experience in moderation or using those Facebook communities, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, all kinds of social media platforms. Of course, you've got to have that strong customer first mindset, a great work ethic, and follow-up skills. So they want somebody who will take accountability and ownership of the problem and see it through to resolution in the end. Now, unfortunately, Money Lion did not post the actual pay in the job description. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I try to do a little bit of research to see if I can get an estimated pay range for you. And of course, people have reported their salary for customer support roles on Glassdoor. So what I did was, here is all the customer service salaries that are listed. 6 different people reported their salary between $33,000 and $45,000 a year. So that is what I used to gauge the salary for this job. So that would be anywhere from $634 a week all the way up to $865 a week. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.